Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to color a bird in Photoshop. Let's begin. Best quality, use best quality image. Example, I use low quality image. Okay. Then first of all, press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer and quick selection, plus this selection, point, press bracket up and down. Okay. Smoothly selected, hold or minus this icon or hold alter, remove selection, hold alter, skip this. Okay, then refine its. Okay, then click smoothly, skip this. Okay, example, click the layer mask, then right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, again right click, raster as layer, then click this color icon, use saturation, lock this layer and change the color. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.